Okay, so first of all, at the back of the door lock, you open up the compartment, battery compartment, to put in the batteries. Batteries, please use the alkaline battery. Okay, normally the batteries they have stated is alkaline. So this type of battery is more lasts longer and more suitable for the door lock. Okay, after that, the default password is 123456. Okay, you can unlock the door using this pin. So for safety, please set your own master code. To set the master code, use a pen or a pin to press this set button. Okay, after you press the set button, it will come to here to get you to key in the password. Key in 123456 as the default. So you will enter a menu. To add user, you press 1. Okay, so for safety, we delete the original password first. You press 2. So input ID number, you key in 001. Okay, so the old password already deleted. So now we are going to add the new password. Okay, so now we press 1 to add new user. This is your own password. So we set for number 1 first. So enter the code or swipe card. So this is your master code. You key in your master code. For example, I set this. Okay, it asks you to key in again. Okay, so now you can continue to add 002, 003, etc. or you can stop here. Okay, for your information, 001 to 009 is the admin password. So the holder with this password, they can press the setting and come into the setting part. For user behind 010 to 233, okay, this is the normal user. Their password only can access the door, but they cannot do setting. Okay, so now we try the password that we set just now. Just now we set it 147. Okay, now you can unlock with your new password. Alright, so after 5 seconds, it will lock the door automatically. Okay, while the old password just now we already deleted, so it cannot enter anymore.